Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Thank you. On behalf of the Ebonies, we want to congratulate you. 60 years is not an easy thing, banange. Abantu woba olina kwebaza Katonda okutuusa ku myaka egyo. So, and you're still going strong because I can see you only sweet 16. That's what So we congratulate you. You're still looking as beautiful as ever.
Yeah.
Many people might not know, but Halima is an Ebony, because she acted with us long time ago. She acted with us, that's like one too, and she had a very big role. These minor roles, but a very big role in the show. So celebrating nawe. We wish you so many other birthdays ahead. Nze nja kuba nze neeyamba nti 75 years from now eyo nja kubanga nze ngitegeka yonna bajja kugindekera gitegeke yonna. But once again, we congratulate you. Thank you so much, and thank you for inviting us.